Welcome to Project Zone. Today's tutorial is about making an Android app using MIT App Inventor. MIT App Inventor is an intuitive, visual programming environment that allows everyone, even children, to build fully functional apps for smartphones and tablets. Those new to MIT App Inventor can have a simple first app up and running in less than 30 minutes. To start with MIT App Inventor, sign-in is required on MIT App Inventor online platform. Link is provided in the description. After sign-in, click Create Apps at the top of the site. A screen will open having option to start new project as shown. Today we will be designing a simple calculator, so I am assigning my new project name as my calculator. Click OK and a new screen will open that is the user interface of the app. Each component can have methods, events, and properties. Most properties can be changed by apps. These properties have blocks you can use to get and set the values. Some properties can't be changed by apps. These only have blocks you can use to get the values, not set them. Screen is top-level component containing all other components in the program. Labels are components used to show text. A label displays text which is specified by the text property. Other properties, all of which can be set in the designer or blocks editor, control the appearance and placement of the text. Users enter text in a text box component. The initial or user-entered text value in a text box component is in the text property. If text is blank, you can use the hint property to provide the user with a suggestion of what to type. The hint appears as faint text in the box. We have to change the names of label and buttons to access them later from the block screen to set the logic of addition of two numbers. Button is provided with the ability to detect clicks. Many aspects of its appearance can be changed, as well as whether it is clickable. Its properties can be changed in the designer or in the blocks editor. We can change the background color or background image and other settings in the design menu. In this part, we have designed the user interface of the app. Block designing and app testing is explained in the next part of the video. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to Project Zone for more useful tutorials.